All right, we've got Dr. Darien here with us. This is our Ask an ER doctor. So CT scan.
Yeah, I think it's an important subject because it's one of the more common methods or modalities I'm using in the emergency room. Every shift, I'm probably reviewing at least 10 CT results. So what do patients need to know? Number one, you want to ask your provider, what is the CT for? What are we looking for? Are we looking at bones? Are we looking for an infection? And is this the right choice of imaging? Because there are many different options. Now, before your CT, you want to call ahead to the radiology office and understand their rules and recommendations. Some CT scans you have to wait to eat an hour or two before. Some restrictions are even longer, unfortunately. I hate making patients wait while they're hungry because I always feel bad. And then you also want to ask if my CT is going to have contrast in it. Now that can be given in a couple of different ways, either in your IV or something that you might drink. And then after the CAT scan, you're gonna probably have to wait about 10 or 15 minutes just to be observed. And then the whole process itself probably takes about 30 minutes. So CAT scans are very common. The actual imaging process, probably 5 minutes, but the whole process together, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your weight.
Can you ask your doctor for a CT scan if nothing's wrong, like a part of your physical?
Yeah, you know, that's a great question. And I think that the answer to that question, you're asking if you can ask your doctor if there's nothing wrong, and I think the appropriate response was, why do you want a CT scan and what are you looking for? I don't want to necessarily say you can't have any symptoms, but if you have a specific reason, a strong family history, and a real big concern, then we should talk about it. But you have to have some specific reason before we just send you through that tube. It does have some risk. You don't want that extra radiation if you don't need it.
That was you asking for a friend.
You know it.
Yeah. You saw me trying to politely answer DeMarco and politely tell him no.
Can I do this next
This
week?
man wants all the tests
DeMarco's like,
every
can I
time.
ask you after the show for a CAT scan? The answer
You know I
is
was
no.
going to do it, right? All right, Doc, thank you.